We'll guide you through how to fix low GPU usage in games. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you may be wondering why this is, and you may be a bit concerned because you aren't getting the most out of the resources you've got. If the percentage is low, then it sort of indicates that it isn't being fully maximized, which of course you probably want, so you can go and have a better experience. Don't skip anything, as you may go and miss what will go and solve it. So first of all, you want to come and press search at the bottom of your computer, and you want to go and type in control panel like so. This will then go and open up. In here, you want to go and find hardware and sound, and you want to go and click on it. At the bottom, you'll go and find the option for power option. And then in here for the power plan, you want to go and choose high performance. This then will go and favor performance, but may go and use more energy. If you've got a laptop as well, make sure you go and plug it in. The next thing you want to do is you want to go and press on the Windows button at the bottom or press search and go and open up your settings. Come to the left and go and press system. Then you can go and press display at the top. Now you want to go and scroll down here and go and find graphics. And then here you want to go and find the game you're trying to do this with, or potentially just app. What you want to do is go and select it, press options, and make sure you're using high performance and not power saving, and press save. If you can't see it in this list here, you can go and add it at the top. Otherwise, what you can also try doing in the game is just increasing the graphic settings. You can go and maybe increase the quality, and that should go and increase it.